Day 4, part 1. Ford Ranger, right side, driver's side, or driver's side wheel arch repair, part 1. This will be a review. So I finished welding the patch here, and I grinded it all down, and I tapped it down with a hammer, because I will be putting some body fill in there. So I tapped it down with a hammer and went all the way in through like so. Pretty much here, went through and just tapped it down really good to get the seams in, like so, because I'll be putting body filler in there, all up here and down through here. So anyway, so that's that. And I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. Okay. So I'm going to put on an inner patch. I debated maybe not put an inner patch on, because this is where it rusted out. See if I can get a good shot for you. Because it rusted out. Alright, let's see if I can focus. It could just be my eyes. I'm out of focus. Alright, well anyway, we'll see what we can do. So it rusted out from here, and it rusted out all the way down to here. So I cut out the rusted metal, and I ground it up to here. Yeah, it's out. It's my eyes. I'm out of focus. Anyway, so this is the what the outer patch looks like welded, right from there to there, and I took out the inner patch because it was all rusted and corroded, and then I hammered and dollied all through here to try to get this somewhat straight again, the actual wheel arch itself. So the next step is I'm going to weld in a patch, which I already form fitted, that will go here and here. It will cover all that up. So that'll be my next. I'm not sure if I can capture it on video just because of the angle that I'm working at, but I'll definitely show you the completed job if I can't catch it on video. And then I'll prime it and maybe even throw some Bondo over the patch itself. We'll see. Sorry. That's really all I got to show for now. That's where I'm at. Next time when I come back, this side will have some Bondo filler over it and start to get it ready for paint. Alright, y'all have a great Ablecraft day now. This is the 1998 Ford Ranger. 3.0 liter. The manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. Otherwise the learning vehicle. Ablecraft.